Hey guys, this is Brett with Numbers Up Finance. We're gonna do a market wrap for Monday, March 11th today. Taking a look at the daily charts for the S&P and VIX. Here we have the SPY future slash ES. Today was a pretty impulsive green candle. See this increase about 1.5%. Now taking a look at this, our candle Friday clearly had a pretty big dip below the 180. But close prices are probably the most important, considering we had that spike at the end of the day that closed our candlestick above the 180. I'd have to deem that as the 180 acting as a pretty tough support there. And then today, of course, we have this giant bounce off of it. There's likely a lot of bullish sentiment in the market still, considering we had this pretty much untampered with 20% gain over the last 2 months. But that is the only bullish side of the story I see. Obviously, this is an impulsive candle, but by no means was it an engulfing candle. See this giant wick here that dipped below the 180? None of that was swallowed up by this green candle, so I'm not too set to say there's going to be a bullish run following this. The bullish sentiment in the market might just be the buyers still coming in to buy the dip. But again, this impulsive green candle, it increased to no significant price level. It's shy of the quadruple top we now have, and to me that just looks like an impulsive day. Keeping an eye on this, any further increase, if we ever do break the quadruple top, then there's definitely talk for a bullish case and for some moves to be made there. But for now, I'd say the outlook is rather bullish. Taking a look at momentum here still, having made higher highs consistently on the prices over the last 2 months. You see the MACD finally starts to top off right about here. And now MACD has reached down here. The only way that momentum in the market is bullish again is if somehow this green candlestick leads to a rally that makes a new higher high on the momentum, and I just don't see that happening. Again, 2 months of a 20% uninterrupted bullish run is, to me, severe overextension. I still see the case for a bearish rally playing out. We'll take a look at the VIX futures. VIX is a volatility indicator. So essentially, when we have big selling spikes, the price of VIX is going to increase. It tries to follow, I believe it's SPY the best it can. So today in a buying spike, we see this giant drop in the VIX candlestick. Down 10%. And again, if we take a look at the momentum here, as VIX prices were making lower lows, over roughly the last month, our momentum indicator has been making higher lows, and obviously we had a pretty big spike here, so even with this giant red candle, it doesn't look like we'll be making any lower lows on the momentum anytime soon. So again, with a bullish case for VIX and a bearish case for SPY, I think there's still another bear run for the market to make in the future. And today was just an impulsive day of buyers picking up the dip. Again, since we took no significant price level, I'm not sure if it should have that much merit to it, this giant green candle here. Anyway, just things to keep an eye on. Any movement from this price level through that quadruple top now would definitely make a pretty solid case for a bullish rally, but until it passes through that, the risk reward is definitely in favor of the bears. So to me, this is just noise in the market. Hope this video helped. If you liked it, click on the like button, subscribe, turn our notifications on. That helps us out a lot. Thanks. Get your numbers up.